Hello, my little learners. Do you miss me? I miss you so much. Are you ready to have so much fun? مين جاهز يتعلم معايا كلمات جديدة؟ النهاردة هنتعلم كلمات فيها حرف ال E. مين يعرف الصوت بتاعه؟ What is the sound of the letter E? The letter E makes the sound E. 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 Good job! E says E. E says E. Every letter makes a sound. E says A. Good job! One more time, but this time I want to chant with me. Are you ready? Let's go! E says E. E says E. So, guys, are you ready for the mystery box? Box, where are you? It's here. Here we are. Here is the mystery box. Let's try to open it together and see what's inside it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we are. Wow, what is this? This is letter E and letter N, so we can blend them together to make N. N. Good job. Who can read it with me? N. N. So guys, take a look at here. What is this? This is an. But here, this is N. An. N. Now it's your turn. What is this? And. Super. What about this? N. Good job. Now let's try to see the first word here. What is this? It's a pen. P-N. Pen. P-N. Pen. I use the pen to write. I use the pen to write. Oh, what about this? This is a hen. Hen. What is this? This is a hen. Hen. Oh, guys, what are these? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples. 10. 10 apples. Now, I want you to show me your hands. وروني ايديكم. And let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers. What about this word? Men. 1 man, 3 men. Men. I can see 3 men. I can see 3 men. Now, are you ready to read the words alone? Let's do it. What about this? Good job. This is N. 10. What about this? Super. N. Men. What about here? N. Pen. What about the last word here? Good job. N. Hen. Guys, Guys, now it's the time to play a game. I'll show you a picture and I'll count till 5. I want you to tell me what is this within 5 seconds. Are you ready? Let's go. Here is the first picture. What is this? Good job, it's a pen. I want you to say it in a complete sentence. لازم نرد في جملة كاملة. This is a pen. What about this picture? Super! This is a hen. This is a hen. Super! The last one. Are you ready? Let's do it. What about this one? Good job! This is a can. Can. So guys, who can tell me the word can rhymes with the other words? مين يعرف يقول لي الword can فيها نفس الending ولا لأ؟ Can, pen, pen. No. It has an sound, not n. Now let's play the rhyming words. I'll tell you 2 words. You tell me if they rhymes or if they don't. Are you ready? Here we are. 10 men. Are they rhyming? بينتهوا بنفس الصوت. 10 men. Yes, super. Sun, set. Are they rhyming? Sun, un, sit, et. No, they're not. Are you ready for the last one? Pen, hen. Are they rhyming? Yes, good job. N, N. Super. Now it's the sentence time. Can you see the sentence here? Let's try to read it together. I see 10 men. One more time. I see 10 men. I see 10 men. I see 10 men. Now it's your turn. Try to read the sentence. Good job! Now it's the time to practice. هتلاقوا في الديسكربشن بتاع الفيديو free worksheets عملتها لكم مخصوص عشان تبدأوا تحملوها وتطبعوها. هتلاقوا فيها coloring, tracing و a lot of games. Yay! Guys, we had so much fun today. We read a lot of sentences and we learned a lot of new words. لو استفدتوا من الفيديو ما تنسوش تعملوا لايك وشير مع أصحابكم عشان هم كمان يستفيدوا. And see you next time. Bye bye.
Learn with Yamna.